Oh man, look at that on this, on my new reel too. Well then, that's amazing. All right guys, the sun's already going down, so I'll go ahead and show y'all. I got a little bit of light left. I'm gonna be using cut carp, and I'll probably be using probably 3 or 4 fishing rods tonight. I'll be fishing with some catfish. So, and it's pretty windy. You can tell there's like a dust storm out here. So the wind's supposed to start dying down, but it don't matter if it does or not. But I'm gonna be fishing into the wind. So we'll see if we catch something out here tonight. I got a few hours, so see if I can pull something out. Well, got one. You. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's one right there. Finally, there's light going. There. Oh, he's pulling. Yeah, he's decent. He's a good, decent one. Here we go. Oh, he's nice, healthy one. Look at him roll everywhere. All right, that's a good, decent one. Felt good using that ATS. I don't use that ATS in I don't know how long. Haven't used it in a good little while. Well, yeah, that's a good fat channel cat. Great one. Nice healthy one. But all right, let's put them up here on the tailgate so I get this hook out of them. Hopefully it don't thrash around too much. There we go. All right, I'll get the other camera so we get a better look at this guy. All right, guys, there he is. He's a good one. Nice, healthy channel cat. Look at that. I'm getting a bite over there on that one too. I think it's just something just barely messing with it, but feels good to be back out here. I've been out here in a while. We're gonna let him go so we can get back to focusing on these other ones. Hopefully catch something bigger tonight, but so far so good. Off to a pretty good start. Been here about an hour and about a little bit over an hour and a half. Let you get on out of here. All righty, whenever you're ready there, sir. There he goes. There he goes. All right, let's see if we do that again. I got a few more hours out here, so I'm gonna try something different. I saw a crawdad coming up on the bank, so I scooped them up with a net. So changed out this rig since I got 2 different baits now. So I'm gonna put this 3-ounce no-roll sinker, and I'm gonna put this bead right here. I keep looking away because make sure I can get no bite here. My bells, but it's just in the wind. I'll put that no-roll sinker and bead on there. That's a 3-ounce no-roll sinker. And I got that Santee rig, if I can get it. Santee rig, the rattle. That's an 8/0 Whisker Seeker circle hook. So I'm gonna try this. This is the Palomar knot I'm using on it. It's like that. Just like that, and put that tag end off. So there it is, just like that. So I have that suspended off the bottom. People think you only use these like on a boat and stuff. No, you know, you use these on the bank too. They work good. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get Mr. Crawdad out of here. Hook him right there on his tail, right at the end of the tail, just like that. Give him a cast out there. And don't look how windy it got. It got really windy. It got really windy out here, but it was windy all day. It was really windy all day, and it was still windy when I got out here. But I came out here anyway since I haven't been out here in a while. So. And now it was really calm, and now it just picked up big time. But I'll probably stay another hour and I'll see if I can catch something else. But we'll see. And the temperature dropped by about 12 degrees, so it's pretty chilly with all this wind. But well guys, I guess I'll go ahead and call it a night. It's windy and cold, but it was good getting out of the house. Go ahead and reel up these reels. Oh man, I have something? Oh yeah, I got something right here. Look at, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh man, look at that, and all this wind. Come on, I thought I did. Oh crap, dude. Oh man, I was caught at night. Oh man, look at that. Look at that monster. I was calling it night. Oh man, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, well. I thought I had something because I was like, okay, this thing's going to the side. Oh man. Look at that on this, on my new reel too. It's nothing fancy, but oh man, look at that. Well then, that's amazing. Oh man. And I had the bait alert on this one because I don't have I only have 4 bells. Oh man, look at that. That's a monster right there. That's about at least a 6-pound bass. But yep, that's why I always stick it out as much as I can and to see what happens. And it always pays off. It always pays off. All right, guys, like I said, it got really windy out here. The temperature dropped about 12 degrees, and it's about 27 miles an hour wind. 27 mile an hour wind, and I had 4 rods out there with bells, and I had my 5th rod over here to the left with the bait alert on it, so I didn't see it get taken down. But look at that. That's a 6-pound 14-ounce bass. You know, God, you know, I was reeling in just to get out of here. And look at that, had a great bass right there. Always appreciate y'all watching. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all again next time. Thank y'all for watching. We'll go ahead and get a good old release on him so we can get back out there. All right, he got reeling these reels. There you go, sir, you're free. All right, time to head home. Get out of this cold wind. Oh man, that was funny.